1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. I wish it was Sunday. I was glad when they said unto me, let us go into the house of the Lord. Psalm 122, verse 1, King James Version. By the biblical example, we know that Sunday is the day to worship for mankind as the church assembled and engaged in acts of worship on that day. Acts chapter 20, verse 7, 1 Corinthians chapter 16, verse 1 and verse number 2. For far too many, the Lord's Day has become a day to sleep in, go fishing, binge watch movies, or go on recreational excursions. There is no thought about God for far too many. However, for those who worship in the Spirit, which means from the inside out, we are excited to get to worship service at all opportunities. John chapter 4, verse 24. No one has to spur us on to come. No one has to guilt us into coming. No one has to give incentives of any type for us to arrive. Instead, we wait during the week in anticipation of when the next meeting of the church will begin so that we can give God thanks for giving us his son for our salvation and for all that he does for us. Are you anticipating for the next Sunday to arrive? If so, then let your excitement begin. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.